You are suffocating your brain cells every single night while you sleep to recharge. Your physical posture might be trapping toxic metabolic waste inside your skull, actively accelerating rapid memory loss. New clinical data reveals that your sleeping position dictates how fast your brain ages. It is no longer just about a stiff neck or a sore lower back. The way you rest is either flushing out dangerous plaques or carving a fast-track highway towards severe cognitive decline. Think about waking up with heavy brain fog or struggling to recall basic words. You probably blame aging. But the reality is terrifying. While you are unconscious, your brain must perform a vital plumbing routine to wash away toxic proteins. If you block that plumbing system by twisting your neck or flattening your spine, those toxins accumulate. You are letting cellular garbage rot inside your head for 8 hours, destroying your neural network from the inside out. This is not internet folklore. Neuroscientists discovered a literal drainage infrastructure called the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's personal nightly garbage truck. In deep sleep, brain cells shrink by 60%, letting fluid rush through like a high-pressure hose to flush out Alzheimer's plaques. But here is the catch. This cellular garbage truck can only operate if your plumbing lines stayed perfectly straight. One wrong move completely kinks the hose. Sleeping flat on your stomach is an absolute disaster for your longevity. To breathe, you must violently twist your head to one side for hours. This severe rotation pinches the vital carotid arteries and vertebral veins in your neck, drastically restricting clean blood flow and completely choking off the fluid drainage pathway. You are physically trapping toxic waste inside your skull. If you do this every night, your brain cells are swimming in their own biological trash. Laying flat on your back is just as toxic, because gravity works heavily against your brain health here. In this position, the fluid drainage channels must pump entirely uphill. Studies show this posture cuts your brain's waste clearance efficiency by nearly half. If you snore or suffer from sleep apnea, this position is doubly dangerous, starving your mind of pure oxygen and suffocating your cells. But the biggest, most deceptive mistake people make is coming up next. Propping your head up with thick pillows while lying on your back is a massive trap. Shoving giant cushions under your neck forces your chin down toward your chest. This unnatural forward bend compresses the cervical spine and severely constricts your jugular veins. You are trapping dirty fluid inside your head, preventing the cleanup crew from ever leaving the station. But wait until you hear the optimal, science-backed fix that clears the brain instantly. The ultimate secret to maximizing your brain's waste clearance is shockingly simple. You must train yourself to become a strict side sleeper, specifically resting on your right side. Clinical imaging proves that the glymphatic system operates at peak mechanical efficiency when the body is positioned laterally. Side sleeping keeps your spine aligned, opens your airways, and allows gravity to naturally pull the toxic fluid away from your brain. It is an instant upgrade. To lock in this protection tonight, implement the double pillow alignment trick. Choose a supportive contours pillow for your head that fills the gap between your ear and the mattress. This ensures your neck stays straight, keeping the blood vessels wide open. Then, hug a large body pillow against your chest. This physical barrier prevents your torso from rolling onto your stomach or flipping onto your back. It forces your body into the ultimate safety zone. Your brain works incredibly hard to protect your memories, identity, and independence. Do not make its job impossible by choking off its only cleanup mechanism for a third of your life. You have total control over how your body rests. Changing this single daily habit is the easiest, most practical move you can make to ensure you stay sharp, vibrant, and fully independent well into your 90s. Your mind is your greatest asset, so start protecting it tonight. If you want to stop guessing and start using real, actionable strategies that protect your longevity, hit the subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below telling me which position you usually sleep in, and let me know if you are trying the side sleeping trick tonight. If you found this real value helpful, tap the like button and share it with someone you care about. Stay focused, take immediate action on your sleep posture, and I will see you next time.